Good job, Mace. Ride it to Mom. Ride it straight over to me. Good job. Mason riding his bike. See if you can turn around and come back. Try it. Good job, Mace. Come back and tell me. Come here. Tell the camera, when did you learn to ride your bike?
Today.
How old are you?
5.
What else do you want to say?
Can you look at my bike?